At 16 years old, Albert Einstein failed one of the most important exams of his life. His teachers believed he would never achieve anything remarkable. In school, he struggled to follow the rigid system of learning, but while others memorized answers, Einstein was asking dangerous questions. What if time wasn't absolute? What if space could bend? What if the universe worked in ways no one had ever imagined? Those questions would eventually change science forever. So how did a student who struggled in school become the mind that transformed our understanding of reality? Today on Fact Verse, we uncover the story behind the curiosity that changed the universe. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Ulm, Germany. But as a child, he didn't fit into the traditional school system at all. He disliked strict rules. He hated repetitive memorization. To many of his teachers, he seemed slow, even unpromising. But they were completely wrong. Einstein's mind simply worked differently. While other children focused on their lessons, Einstein was thinking about much bigger questions. What is light? How does the universe work? What is the true nature of reality? These were questions most children never even think about. Luckily, his parents didn't try to stop his curiosity. They encouraged it, and little by little, his love for mathematics and science began to grow. A quiet curiosity that would eventually change the world forever.
Albert Einstein's intelligence didn't come from memorizing endless facts. His real power came from something far more powerful: curiosity and imagination. Instead of studying in the traditional way, he used what he called thought experiments, mental simulations where he imagined extraordinary situations and solved problems entirely inside his mind. One of the most famous examples happened when Einstein asked himself a simple but revolutionary question: what would it be like to chase a beam of light through space? That single thought experiment eventually led to one of the most groundbreaking ideas in science: the theory of special relativity. Einstein believed that imagination was even more powerful than knowledge, because knowledge has limits, but imagination has none. By the early 1900s, Albert Einstein was about to change science forever. In 1905, a year now known as his miracle year, Einstein published 4 revolutionary papers that completely reshaped modern physics. One of them introduced special relativity, a theory that challenged the very nature of time and space. Another explained the photoelectric effect, a discovery so important that it later earned Einstein the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. His work also helped lay the foundation for the field of quantum physics, which would later transform technology and science. But Einstein's greatest breakthrough was still ahead. In 1915, he introduced the theory of general relativity. Instead of seeing gravity as a simple force, Einstein revealed something far more astonishing. Gravity is the bending of space and time itself. This idea completely changed how scientists understand the universe. And more than 100 years later, Einstein's theories are still shaping the world around us. They are used in GPS navigation systems, space exploration missions, and much of modern physics and astronomy. Einstein didn't just make discoveries. He changed how humanity understands reality itself.
Here are a few interesting facts about Albert Einstein that many people don't know. As a child, Einstein didn't speak fluently until around the age of 9. Because of this, some people believed he might struggle in school. Yet years later, he would become one of the greatest thinkers in human history. His path to success was not easy. Einstein even failed his first university entrance exam. However, he refused to let that failure define his future and continued working toward his goals. Despite becoming world famous for his revolutionary ideas, Einstein preferred a very simple lifestyle. He avoided unnecessary attention and often wore similar clothes every day to reduce small daily decisions and focus his mind on more important things. Einstein also had a deep love for music, especially playing the violin. For him, music was more than just a hobby. It helped him relax, think clearly, and sometimes even sparked new ideas. Another important part of Einstein's personality was his willingness to question authority. He didn't accept ideas simply because others believed them. Instead, he constantly asked deeper questions about how the universe really works. And this habit of curiosity helped him discover ideas that many others could not see.
Albert Einstein was not just a brilliant scientist. He was also a humanitarian who cared deeply about the future of humanity. Throughout his life, he spoke out against war, racism, and social injustice. He believed that science and knowledge should be used to help people and create a better world. Einstein also believed that education should inspire curiosity and independent thinking rather than simply teaching people to follow rules without questioning them. Although his scientific discoveries contributed indirectly to the development of nuclear energy, Einstein later warned the world about the dangers of atomic weapons and the responsibility that comes with such powerful technology. In the end, Einstein's legacy goes far beyond scientific equations. He changed how people think about knowledge, creativity, and the freedom to question the world around us.
The life of Albert Einstein reminds us that true genius isn't measured by perfect grades or fitting in with everyone else. It's about curiosity, imagination, and the courage to see the world differently. Einstein's story teaches us that asking bold questions and exploring new ideas can truly change the way we understand the universe and ourselves. If you enjoyed discovering these little-known secrets about one of history's greatest minds, make sure to like this video, subscribe to FactXverse, and turn on notifications for more inspiring and fascinating stories.